Get moving. Beginner's push-up workout for quick progress. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, where we're all about staying fit and healthy. Today, we're diving into a fantastic beginner's push-up workout that'll help you make exciting progress in no time. Let's start with the classic push-up position. Hands shoulder width apart, feet hip width apart. Keep your body straight as a board, and lower yourself down until your chest almost touches the ground. Make sure to engage your abs and glutes throughout the movement. Now, let's mix it up with some variations. 1. Wide push-ups. Widen your arms on the ground for an extra chest workout. 2. Narrow push-ups. Bring your arms closer together for a tricep challenge. 3. Elevated push-ups. Place your feet on a bench and step for more intensity. 4. Decline push-ups. Put your hands on a bench, step for an extra challenge on the upper body strength workout at home. 5. One-arm push-ups. Place one arm behind you for a real test of strength and balance. 6. Clapping push-ups. Jump up briefly after each rep to get your heart pumping for an added cardio boost. 7. Superman push-ups. Lift your legs and arms off the ground for an advanced variation that works multiple muscles at once. Be sure to do this on soft grass or carpet. 8. Staircase push-ups. Place your hands on the stairs and do regular or decline push-ups to really feel the burn in your triceps and shoulders. Make sure you have someone spot you if needed. 9. One-legged push-ups. Lift one leg off the ground while doing regular or decline push-ups for another challenging variation again. Be careful if you need help balancing. 10. Tuck jump push-ups. Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about something truly remarkable. How Steve Jobs made history by turning down a job offer from Bill Gates worth over $2 billion. That's right, Bill Gates himself was so impressed by Steve Jobs that he offered him a position at Microsoft, which Steve gracefully declined in just 2 words: no thanks. Isn't that incredible? Bill Gates himself admitted that if Steve had accepted that offer, we